How to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Now, Uber Cash is a payment option that can be used to pay for rides and eat order. Now, the way you can get Uber Cash is to purchase it directly in the Uber app, and Uber Cash balance can also come from other sources such as balance of gift card, credits given by Uber support, Uber promotional credits, or Amex premium benefits. Now, if you want to use the Uber Cash on Uber Eats, first of all, you want to check if you have enough Uber Cash or not. For that, tap on the account option, then tap on the wallet option over here. Now, you will have the Uber Cash given over here. Simply tap on this. Now, you will be able to view the Uber Cash from here. Now, to use the Uber Cash, you first of all want to explore the website and find the items that you want to purchase. Then you want to add that to your cart. After that, tap on this cart icon over here. After that, you want to tap on this basket icon over here. Now tap on view basket. Now select the food items that you want to purchase, then tap on go to checkout option. Now you have the Uber Cash option in the payment method section. Go ahead and tap on Uber Cash. Once you have selected Uber Cash, all you want to do is check out all of these details and then tap on the place order option. Now your Uber Cash will be used to purchase these items, and in this way you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.